All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Day Trading Futures with JD, and I'm JD. So I wanted to go over a video that I made yesterday of a trade. It was only one trade yesterday, and the profit was a little over $500. The idea of this is to show my strategy, to show how simple it is, and how profitable it is. So when we go here to the chart, I want to of course this is over the span of probably 35 to 40 minutes in the trade. But as the trade entry with my strategy, when the 5 period weighted moving average crosses above the 20, then I make the entry. Of course, the 5 is in the yellow and the 20 is in, let me rephrase that. The 5 is in the white and the 20 period moving average is the yellow. This was a good trade. Of course, in my trading view screen is where I marked up my support and resistance, and using my indicators, I had the buy signal. So I jumped over to NinjaTrader and made my entry. This was I don't think I had any drawdown, maybe like $5-10 in the drawdown. It was really a good trade. And as we're going through here, some of the things that I probably would have done different. When I was looking to the left here, you see these, you see that peak of the, I think it was like an hour beforehand, and that's where I put my take profit. I probably should have put my take profit a little higher, and I kept my stop really tight. And the reason why I did that was because of the volatility in the market that we've been seeing. We've been seeing reversal. I've been seeing reversals on the 5-minute chart when there wasn't any divergences. And what I mean by a reversal in the position or the trend it was going, not necessarily like a reversal over the course of the day. But anyway, it's been really hard to kind of structure. It's been just a very volatile all over the place. So anyway, whenever I got up 5-6 points, I went ahead and moved my stop loss, and just to be in the profit zone. And as the trade continued, everything was looking good. I didn't have there. I mean, there was very little time of when the price dropped. It was going up pretty good. And like I said, I probably could have ran this up to about 15 points, but I felt pretty happy with the 10-point take profit. And I believe, again, I'm going to reiterate, with the volatility in the market, I believe in having a set take profit zone and not to be too greedy. And, one of the big things on YouTube right now is, how to make $500 a day in day trading. Well, this is how you do it. And here we are, a little over 400. And even the MACD showed great momentum. So this is where I moved up the stop. And I think I even move it up a little bit more, which is probably where I messed up. I probably should have given it a little bit more room to breathe, because then I'd have been able to get 15 points or more with the take profit. But like I said, don't stress. A trader shouldn't stress over the trades that they lose or how many points they could have had. They should just look at what what a current trade is making and close it out for the day and be happy with that. Because all right, so that hit my stop. All right, so like I said, making $500 a day is easy day trading if you have the capital for that. A lot of people, like myself, when I first started trading, I didn't have the capital to trade my own money. And that's why I want to talk about Apex Trader Funding. This is one of the trading prop firms that I've talked about a lot on my channel. It's the one I use. They have great rules, great customer service, and I'm going to actually show you some testimonies as well. So to talk a little bit about the rules, it's depending on which evaluation you go through. I like having the 25,000 account. I think the 25,000 evaluation is probably one of the easiest to pass, and the reason is because you have a small profit goal, and your trailing drawdown is the same as your profit goal. That just increases your odds at passing it. So if you've been trading with NinjaTrader and you're using Rhythmic, one of the things that Apex Trader Funding has been doing is they've been going through and recognizing a lot of people have been having trouble. So they've been, here's a Facebook post in the Apex Trader Funding Facebook group that they put out. And it says that, that if you got hosed during the evaluation or even a performance account due to a Rhythmic issue, they will make it right. All you have to do is submit a help ticket. So that's pretty awesome. I don't know of any other trading company that has offered, to make it right, to make up the problem that was out of Apex's control. But so anyway, they're there to help you out. This other testimony here from Greg Bagnaro. Now, of course, this is from the Facebook group. I didn't get these people's permission to post this. I hope they don't get upset. All right, so he's actually said that he's been funded with Topstep, Earn to Trade, Lilu, UProfit, and Apex. And he compared them all and said that Apex by far has the best support and overall understanding of traders, especially when it comes to Rhythmic issues. And of course, every one of the prop firms out there that he listed, they all use Rhythmic for the data. And so this is pretty huge whenever you have someone that actually has a greater experience using every of the main prop firms, and he's saying that Apex by far is the best. Another testimony here. Actually, this is actually a group of testimonies from. It was on that same post, and everyone just started commenting. I think this post had like over 30 comments. But you've got Israel here saying, agree. He's funded by several companies, but this is the best. Another person saying, same issue came up last time with Earn to Trade, and they did not help. Apex team is the best. They do everything for their trader. So if you're considering trading with a prop firm, these are just some more testimonies to show that probably Apex is one of the best companies out there. If you would like to take your shot at trading with an evaluation, there's not a better time than right now. Apex Trader Funding is actually having a promotion this month of March, and it goes until March 31st, where they're having another giveaway. And the giveaway will be on April 1st, I think. That's whenever they're doing their drawing. So it's up until March 31st is when the drawing ends. And you have a chance at winning an actual performance account. It's not an evaluation account. It's an actual performance account. They're giving away 10 of these, 10 $100,000 accounts. To enter, you either sign up for an evaluation between March 3rd and 31st. Of course, this posting is, this video is going to be March 19th, so you're within that window. And also, every evaluation and every reset counts as an entry. So if you're considering, click the link down below and also use my code. And it doesn't matter if you see this video 6 months from now, a year from now, the code that you use will be the code that gets you the best discount. All right, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't go too long. Let me know in the comments if you're going to sign up for Apex. And good luck. Good trading.